I'm still thinking of the plank cap I bought when people from the UK look strange at me. I've still got the image up there. I could put some more up there. Anyway, right. So after the disaster of the last stream, why the score wasn't updating, and then we figured out it's because of the array, the dead. What was the problem was it wasn't executing the dead timer. That was the problem. I looked at it, I think the next day, I think it was Thursday or Friday, Thursday. I looked at it the next day, trying to work out why it worked in main but didn't work in BBEM. Now I don't know why it worked in one emulator and not the other. Alright, so I don't know. But I know what the problem was now. Is it wasn't executing the dead timer. So when we added another element type, then the dead timer kicked in. So now I know that's happening. And also I think I've figured out why we was leaving artifacts behind. But I'm not too sure, but I think I may have introduced a bug. Right. Yeah. Introduced a bug, I think. Because do you know when we was killing? Oh, well that's well and truly screwed it up. Yeah, I've introduced a bug. Let's do that again. Well, what was? Do you know when it was when we killed an alien, it left it behind? Yeah. I was trying to look at that. Oh yeah, there's right. Let me just put that back. That is here. Let me just take that out. Right. So let me just take that out and see if the ship starts behaving itself again. Right, the ship's behaving itself, but right. So I'll do the. I'll basically take out what I put in. Oh dear. Right, I'll explain what I was doing. Right, I'll explain. So what was happening? Right, and I can explain what was happening because I found it. Yeah. Right. Let's see if it. Yeah, that's sorted. So it's back to how it was. Right, what was happening was when we transition from one type to the other, we reset the frame index to 0. Yeah, and in here we've got this test here that says if the old animation index is the same as the new animation index, don't bother clearing it out, just draw it. Yeah. Now the problem was, if we was on animation index 0 and we changed the type, yeah, and we set the new one to be 0 because we wanted to start the animation again, it goes, oh, the old one's 0, this is 0, right, I won't clear it out. And so it left it behind. It left the ship behind. So I thought, okay, here we go. I will test the types. If the old type is not the same as the new type, yeah, then clear it. Doesn't matter what index it is, clear it. Kaput. Clear. But oh, I've just seen what's causing the problem. Hang on, I've just seen what's caused the problem. Hang on. I've just seen what's caused the problem. Right. Will that fix it? Will that sort it? I've just spotted that the X, if I bypass it, will be the type, not the index frame. Will be the element type, and that's probably why it's leaving artifacts behind. Right, here we go. Ah, fixed it. There we go. Right, so now... Oh, it's still got a problem there, though. It has stopped. Oh, hang on. Hang on. I wonder if it's that. Hang on. Hello, matey. Welcome to the madhouse. Welcome. Right. I'm just gonna see if it's gonna do it again. If it doesn't do it again, I think it's because of that. Right. Here we go. So we went up and fired, and yeah, it's that. Right. But the score's not going up because we haven't set the score for this yet. Right. Okay, so that is that. Right. That needs to be done. That needs to be coded in, yeah? No worries. No worries. Right, that needs to be coded in. Because I've been doing the test for the ship. I've done quite a bit of work since the last thing, as the last stream. Because if I do that, you'll see, you'll see all the work, all the things that have been changed. I've done a bit. So this is the collision with the ship. So there's a problem with the collision with the ship, yeah. Because it was changing it to ship was dead when the bad guys were nowhere near. So there's something wrong with this test, so we're gonna have to look at it, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to see. So what I was going to do today was try and finalise the ship explosion. That's the thing. It's the ship explosion. Yeah, the ship explosion hasn't been done yet. To try and do the collision of the ship, so we can get that out the way. If we're going to use the shield, we need to put the shield test in, and also, I'm looking for an 8x8, of this. I'm looking for an 8x8 representation of that, so we can put it on the top of the screen and have the lives. Yeah. Now, this weekend, right? I have spent quite a lot of time this weekend trying to figure out how to code this so I can scale it down. And I got completely flummoxed. Oh dear. I mean, graphics is not my best suit, and coding the graphics package just baffles me. So I've got to make an 8x8 of that. Right, 8x8 of that. No, that's what I was trying to code this weekend, was the rescale, but I got myself in a right old tiz. So I'll have to manually do it. But yeah, I was trying to code in a scalar. Got myself all messed up. Oh dear. Who's pinging me? No one. So yeah, so I'm gonna try and finish off the ship collision detection, the ship detection routine, the ship explosion routine, which will then start driving the game state. Yeah. So we've got the individual alien states, but this should drive the game state, and then we need to code in the game state logic, and hopefully, because I think we're doing all right in memory. Yeah, we've got 2K left still. 2K, looks like it, isn't it? 2K. So so we need to, because once we start putting the game state logic in, we need to then build the title screen, get the title screen working with the text that needs to go across, and then the game escalation system. So we need a way to figure out how many bad guys are on the screen. So when we get to 0, we need the timer as well. We need to code the timer in as well. So when we get to 0, if the timer's not run out, then we need to create another wave. But if the timer has run out, we need to be able to move on to the next level. Yeah. So yeah, there's still lots to do, and we ain't even got sound in there. I mean, I was trying to mess around with sound at the weekend, but all I seem to do is make fart noises. It's weird. Guaranteed fart noise. I can make fart noises. If we need fart noises, I can make them. So let's code the explosion, and then we'll try and activate it. So where have I got the explosions? Did I put it in aliens? Ship explosion. Here we go. That should be working. I don't know why. Oh, it's doing dead, isn't it? It's doing dead. And we don't want it doing that. We want to change it. We want to change the game state. But what I'll do is I'll just get it to cycle through the. I'll get it cycle through the animation to make sure everything's all working. So let's reactivate this. So if a collision happens, then it changes it. It changes the type, and then resets the index array. Okay, right. Let's see if this thing's blowing up when it shouldn't be. Right. Up we go. Right, now it's stopped. So I think F, this one here, this is where this is us, the ship. So at the moment it's on X. Oh, that's old X. Y. So that's old X and Y. And then we've got... Right, so it's still types, old types. Right, that's the old type 0. So then we've got new X and Y. Still, oh, it's still 0. So why is it stopped? Have I set the wrong thing? Hang on. So I'm looking for collision with ship. Let's look for that. Here we go. Right, so the new type is OEFF and OEDF. OEFL, I'm not even there. Oh yeah, it's set to 14, look. That doesn't look right though. OEDF, where's OEDF there? So it's set, right, so we're at 14, okay. So we've definitely changed the state. Definitely changed the state. So why is it not running that state? Why is it not running that state? Let's do a bit of checking. Lookups. Have I got it in the right one? So this is ship explosion, so that's right. Oh, hang on. Oh, John, you muppet. Oh, you muppet. Right. So am I checking for the ship? I should be checking for the ship. Hang on. Right, here we go. So, is the alien index, compare it to where the laser is it greater than, don't bother testing for the... Right, here we go. So, I am So, basically what I'm doing is, as soon as we've moved one of the entities, I'm checking against the ship, where the ship is, yeah? And then if the ship is within... There's four. I think there's a number of elements on the ship. So if the alien's new position is anywhere inside where the ship is, right, we're dead. But for some reason, I'd put the collision information in the execution. Right. Let's see, do we... Oh, we're still doing it. We are still doing it. Now that is not right. 03. That's not right. I'm still not convinced that this is in the right place. OEFF. I'm not sure that that's in the right place. Let's work it out. Where's the storage? Oh, it could be. Oh, it could be. Could be. It probably is in the right place. Doesn't look right because it's saying it's type. It's saying it's type. Well, that's type 14. And in here, OEFF is, oh, it's 14. It's there, yeah. So it said it's 14. Right. So why is it not doing it? Is it not executing? Right. Let's just see if it's executing it. So we need to go to. I think it's ship. Did I call it ship explode? Didn't I? Hang on. Oh yeah. There we go. 12 instances of it. Right. 14, 20. There we go. So this is it here. 2014. Right. Oh, so it's going through it. Okay, it's going through it. Right. So the execute's going through it. So have we set the displaying? No, we haven't. No, we haven't. We've not set the displaying. So let's grab the ship. Ship explosion. There we go. We've not set it to display. Ship explosion. Right. That means the collision detection system's not what is wrong. So we're going to have to look at that. Right, F1. Go up. There we go. Right. So, I can hear SP17 shouting like John does. Greetings there. Well, no one's in Spyall with me, so... Right, so we got a problem with the collision. Yeah. Right, so we got a problem. So that's no worries, Saucy. Thought I could hear him. Right. Let's go into. I'm passing in. I'm passing in the X. Oh, work. Go away. I can wait. I'm passing in the X and Y of the alien, so, and I reckon I'm not. So here we go. I'm not passing in the X and Y of the alien. Right. And we haven't saved. We haven't saved it, so I can do this. LDX storage dot element item dot new dot x. Y. Right. So this is the alien's new position, or the bad guy's new position, and then we're comparing it in here. And I think that's what was going wrong, because I hadn't sent it in. So we store them away, and then we use them. Now, the alien is 4 characters. Sorry, the ship is 4 characters across. Yeah, the ship is 4 characters across and 2 characters down. So we have to test 4 characters across. So what I've done is I get where the ship is. Yeah, I compare it with where the alien is. If it's equal to, then we test the Y, because that means, hey, we're in the right ballpark here, boys. And then we test the Y. If it's not, then we test the other X's and we do the same thing. Yeah? And then we test the 2 Y's. So hopefully the fact that I wasn't passing in where the X and Y was, that was the problem. So hopefully we should be able to fly around without any incidents. Yeah. Oh, John's good at shooting this one. Karma. Karma. Right. So let's... Right, his nibs is up. So I'm just going to go downstairs. I'm going to kick him out and then I'll bring him up. I'll just do the shout outs. I won't be set. Right. Okay, so where was we? Oh, we're testing, does the collision work now? That's what we're doing. Go on, use your nose, mate. Your nose still works. Come on. Right, let's see. Oh, we'll have to wait for it to come down, won't we? Go on, use your nose, mate. Your nose still works. Come on. There we go. You know something's there. Ooh, one more. Right, here goes. Yes. Now, why is that stopped though? Oh, no, it's doing it. No, it's doing it. Why did that stop? Okay. I think I know why. Hang on. Ship is 0, right? Ship is 0, so element. The next game will do for the Amiga. Come on, mate. Oh dear. I wish. Right. Don't get me wrong. I will get there in the end, mate. I will get there in the end. But I have to take some time out to do it. Right, I'm after that one there. I'm after that. Right, LDA, that. Right, branch if not equal to 0 to here. So basically, in fact, I'll put that up there so we don't have to do the whole thing. So basically, I'm loading the new type of the ship, and because the ship, oh. Hang on. The voice in the back of my head's going, John, you're talking rubbish. Right. That. So we can't do branch if not equal. So we've got to do compare with that. And then no. Let's do the next one. That one. Then branch if carry clear. So if it's under the ship laser, if that's 1, then under it's going to be 0. So branch if equal and branch if lower than. If it's higher than, that's fine. Right. You heard another word before the rubbish. Well, let's have a look. Yes, it will run on the Amiga version of the C64 emulator. Right. Right, that should do it. That should do it. Right. So basically what was happening was that... Oh. Oh, element type. So basically what was happening was because we're running that routine on every execution of the alien, every alien was setting it to say, oh, dead, and resetting the resetting animation index. That's why it didn't do anything. So what I've done is gone and said that if it's not equal to the ship or the ship thrusting, then we don't need to worry about testing, right? So we'll let it come down. Have you finished them off? Oh, you're twitching really bad today, aren't you? Have you finished them? Hey? We'll talk to you adoring public. I'm sure they'll do something for you. You've had a treat out of me now. And you've had all the ones that were stacked up. Right, here we go. Oh. Okay. Hey Kylodos, welcome. Alright, I'll give you a couple of these. Yeah. I'll give you a couple of these. Because these hurt your mouth, even though you love them to death. There you go. There's two for you.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, the meteor storm. Thank you very much for the bits. Right, hang on. I'll get it ready for him. So when he's eating them, he can have one of these. Let's get him a big fat one out. There we go. Big fat one. Go on, you can. He likes them, but they hurt his mouth a little bit. They're not quite soft enough. But he loves them. Absolutely loves them. It's like I found, you know, the meaty meal dog foods, the squishy chunks, the squishy meaty chunks. He loves them, but he loves them as a treat. He won't eat them as a main dinner, but he loves them as a treat. But thank you very much for the bitsy bits. Have you eaten them both? I thought they hurt your mouth. Have you had the other one? Oh, here you go. Here's some. You ready? Here's some from Uncle the Meteor Storm. There you go, behind you. Thank you, Meteor Storm, for the bits for his nibs. His nose will find them. Right, okay, so ship thrusting. Right, we got a problem. We got a problem because we was in ship thrusting, it was bypassing it. Because if it was equal, it was bypassing it. And that's wrong. So, so I do need to be one more. I do need to be one more, don't I? So we'll do ship laser. There. So I'll do ship laser. And so if it's above or equal to, then we don't do anything about it. So anything less than that, which will be thrusting and ship, should be in the detection zone. Right, let's do that. Oh, you're lighting them, aren't you? Are you hungry? He's eating for he's like having 4 meals a day now. And look at him, he's stick thin. He's getting old. But have you noticed he's walking better? Have you noticed he's walking better, even though he took a tumble down the stairs? Compared to the last stream, when he was all over the shop. He's still a bit wobbly, but he's not as wobbly as he was. Right. Here we go. That's better. Oh, we need another sprite in there, don't we? We need another sprite in there. We need another sprite in there. Oh, a blank sprite. That's going to take valuable resources up. Where is it? Not that one. Must be here. Ah, here it is. Right, here we go. New sprite. Save, export to Beeb. That one. Well, that's going to take valuable resources up. Hello! Hello, hi-bye. Welcome. We are doing fine. We're just trying to sort out a blanking issue. Hang on. Where's my... Here we go. So we're doing 6. 6. Right, so... here we go. So it's 6 frame. I think I've got a 6 frame, haven't I? Yes, I've got a 6 frame. There. Have you eaten that already? There's still a bit there, mate. Use your nose, you'll find it. Use your nose, you'll find it, mate. You're not getting any more until you've done it. There's another bit there. There's another bit there. You're not having any more until you find that bit. Right. I think that should do it. Right, I'll wait for him to come down. Look, there's another bit there, look, mate. Look. There. Oh, you're twitching real bad, aren't you? What's there, look? It's there. Don't look at me, look at it. Hang on, hang on. Here. Right under his nose is an old dog, a very old dog. Is an oldie. Oh, would you believe it? They go round my ship. Would you believe it? They go round the ship. Have you got it? Yeah, he's just turned 18, so. He's blind. He's blind in one eye and he's going blind in the other eye. So he only sees light and dark now. So it's like he's only seeing shadows. There we go. Does it blank it out? Yes. Right. So what needs to happen now is when the ship. So at the moment we've just stalled it, yeah. So what happens now, we need to change the game state to that the players died, and then these aliens just need to go up the screen, if you remember, because that's what happens in Arcadia, they go up the screen.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, thank you for following. Welcome to the crew. Right. So, I've got to figure out the order first. You alright? Yeah, he's an old man. He's an old man. Yeah, Mrs. OSK came round on Saturday to see him, and she was very upset because of his... Whoa! Because of his state. Right, so I think we need to start thinking about. I think we need to start thinking about doing the game logic, the game states. So where's my state machine? Because we got all this written out, didn't we? Here we go. So we've right. So basically, we've done this here. We've done this here. We haven't done this. We haven't done the... You sent me a PNG, have you? That is really good. Oh my God, mate. You are very good with this graphic stuff. Here we go. Let's show the guys. Look at this. Look at this. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. Hang on. I've got to put that on. I've got to put that up now. Hang on. Let me download it. How can I download it? Save image.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oops, wrong one. Twitch me. Right, we'll stick that in there. Right, hang on. Let me get into Streamlabs. And now it even has the OSK logo. That's what I love about it. Right. Let's go into Streamlabs. Let me get this so you can... Let's see what you think, right? I know we're digressing a little bit, but I promised Docster we would get this done. Here we go. So we're only going to do black, yeah? We're only going to do black. Have you already ordered it? Or you're ordering when I change it? Whoops. You alright, mate? Did he now? Oh, you've been in secret talks. Alright, then. Right. Oh, it was the logo you asked for, right. So, front or back? Front or back? Back. Alright, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Oh, I'm all of a kerfuffle. Exciting stuff this is. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Oh, right. One thing I've got to do to it. Hang on a sec. I've got to do something to it. Because they're not going to like that. Hang on. Oh, oops. There we go. Right. Let's do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. And that. I think, but I will do that anyway. Right. File, save as. Save. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, they don't like black. They don't like black. I got done for that last time. Right, there we go. Right, has that uploaded? Oh yeah, oh yeah, get in there. Right, I want you. No, they didn't like a picture with black in. They didn't like a picture with black in. I think it was on Neptune Lander when I was doing the Neptune Lander. Because it had a black background, they complained, saying that the black that would get printed would make their black jacket not look black, which I thought was cheeky, to be honest. Right, so I've taken the OSK off the front. Right, let's just do that. Oh my god, they're still charging a fortune for it. Oh, hang on, I better take the white off, hadn't I? Hang on, let me just take the white one off. But I will put the charcoal one on. And the blue. There we go. Give people a bit more choice. Right. There you go. It's there. It's there. There we go. Right. So I've taken the OSK off the front, yeah? So there's nothing on the front. But they put, like I say, to put something on the back, they charge another $7. So there you go, guys. Thank you, SP. That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I'm sorry about how much it costs. I can't do anything about that. But I'm not making any money out of it, so anyway, right. I bet Docster's in the middle of negotiating shipping, I reckon. Right. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, game logic. Right, so we need to start doing the game logic. So we've done nearly all the gameplay. Right, let's put a figure on this. So I reckon we've done 90% of the gameplay. No, maybe not. 85. Because we need to do the -1 life. So we need to do this. And we need to do the aliens cleared routine. So let me just change a couple of these colours, right? Let's just change a couple of these colours. Right, I'll do the where it's yeah. Right, so we've done the well, that's rubbish. Give me a colour that's going to be complementary. Oh well, we'll do that. I'll just have to change it to black. Text is black. There we go. So we've done that. 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 Execute bullet movements. Was that the alien's bullet or mine? That's a good question, John. We've done this now. That works. But we need to do the rest. Oops. We need to do the rest of it. So I reckon we've done about 85% of it. So we need to now start concentrating on this. 82.37. Okay. Right. No worries. 82.37. And I will put SP says. Right. So what we need to do is we need to start thinking about the game logic. Oh, Saucy says. Sorry. Saucy says. Sorry, SP. I saw your I saw your laugh on the... yeah. Yeah. Plank. But I was a Muppet earlier. No one said it earlier. No one, even though it was a glorified Muppet moment. Well, yeah. I even call it me. I haven't recorded the twonk. Or I'll have to extract when I called myself a twonk. You was drawing the logo, so never saw it. No, I think it's hang on. It's play, isn't it? There we go. So it's exclamation mark play, space, and then one of those.
John, you muppet.
There we go. I've got numpty in there. We haven't had numpty for a while. We haven't had numpty for a while, have we?
Oh, you numpty.
I'm gonna have to extract the twonk one as well. I'm gonna have to extract the twonk one. Right, so game logic. So we need to let's create another file. So right, let's create a new file. So game logic. So we'll do the standard stuff, which is all of this. Oh no. Oh no, we're going to import it, aren't we? We're importing it. It's not part of the thing. Right, game logic. Right, so what's the matter, buddy? I can feel your eyes burning in the back of my head, mate. What, you wanting another one? Or are you wanting to go out now you've had all those treats? Is he off to his bed? Yeah, he's off to his bed, look. Right, so we need a lookup table and we need storage stuff. Right, so do we have it in here? I can't remember if we had it in here. I think we did somewhere. Or did I take it out? Oh, I may have took it out. Oh, I may have took it out. That's all right. Right, so let's put another thing. So this is game state, and we are going to have old and new. And you're probably going to ask yourself, why? Why are you doing that? I'm trying to optimize the calling of the game state. So what I'm going to do is, if the old value is the same as the new value, then we don't need to work it out. We'll just do the jump, yeah, because it was the same jump as before, yeah. But if it's changed, then we need to work it out. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So, right. Oh, tired. Right, execute. So we'll keep the naming convention the same. So let's get rid of that. We don't need them. To be honest, we don't need half of this stuff either. But so let's do the test first. So load storage dot game state dot new, because that's the one we're going to use. And I'm not going to use A, I'm going to use X. Compare the X with storage dot game state dot old. If they are the same, do the jump. Right, so here we go. Do the jump is here. And we'll do JSR perform if we're executing the game logic here, so this is you're not getting past the checkout. Well, if you have bought it, it will end up here. It will end up on here. But I don't know why you're not getting past the checkout. Well, that'll be Streamlabs. That would be Streamlabs. JSR. We'll do that. Perform. Game logic. Make sure you own the account. Are you alright? That was a big sneeze. That was a big sneeze. It's there. Oh. There we go. And why are you not saying perform game logic? There we go. Right, so that should come back to here. Right, I'm just, if I'm going to JSR into this, I don't need to do this. Don't need to do that. I can just do this straight into it. Because the RTS will then take us back to where we called it from. Yeah, that'll take us back to where we called it from. Right, so if we need to do the jump, you're wandering about a lot, mate. Are you wanting to go out? No? Okay. Right. So let's get some constants in here. Monsignor Warlock, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the madhouse. Oh, you got your coffee in your hand, mate. You're going to need it. Right. Init. So that can be what? No, we'll make that 0. Dot label. Hey! Doctor's bought the new hoodie. Hey! Hey! Doctor's bought the new hoodie. Oh my god, how much? The rip-off merchants. $30 for $30 just to ship it. I did say it was expensive, and I wound the thingy right down. Ugh. $16 in VAT and $11 in ship. I suppose 11's not too bad for shipping. Yeah, VAT's a bit of a... I mean, it says value added. What's... Oh. Anyway. I'll get myself one as well. I'll order one in a bit when I finish streaming. Right, initialize the game. Title screen. Oh, it's there, isn't it? We're not having a difficulty. We're not having a difficulty. So the next one will be game playing. 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 Then we'll have Lost Life. Then we'll have next level, then lost life, then dead, nah, he's had some good stuff. It's just expensive though, that's the problem. Hang on, title screen, next level, there's something in between title screen and yeah, special editions, special editions. Next life would be set in, no, not next level would be setting up the game for the level, so we can use that. Dead. So what's after dead? Well, that's game over, isn't it? So we'll do game over, call it game over. And then it goes back to the title screen, so that should be it. So we got 6 states? 6 states. At this moment, nobody else, full stop. Yes, even me, I ain't got it yet. I will order it after the stream though. See how much the shipping for me is this time. It should be edition 1, build 1 on the hoodie. Well, Docster, you've got the first one. Even I ain't got the first one, so you can claim that. You can claim that glory. You've got the first one. Right. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you be pleased that you've got the first one. Who's pinging me now? Ah, that's all right. Right, so initialize the game. Do the title screen. Then we'll do next level. We'll do next level because that will set up the next level, which then moves to playing. Then we've got lost a life, and game over if we've run out. So they're all the states. They're all the states that we need. So I suppose I better put them in here. Right. So let's do a bit of jiggery poke. Let's do a bit of faffing about. Let's grab one of those. So that's collisions. Right, so let's put another one in. So game state. Did I call them lookups? No, I just called it that. Right, game state. So jump table low. Yeah. Put that in. So that's going to be that way. That's going to be that way. Right, so we've got 6 states. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So there's our jump table. Should I put that hoodie in a special cabinet? That is up to you, mate. That is up to you. That is entirely up to you. I mean, I've got to wear one and store one on the original hoodie. So. Oh, you're joking. SP. You're in the UK, aren't you, SP? What was the shipping? What was the shipping? Oh, slightly less. You've got a coffee. Only $6.99 for shipping. Right. Definitely going to get mine.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, no. Kylo. Oh.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while.
Hey, Warlock.
Stay forever.
Hey, Warlock's got a sub. No more ads, mate. No more ads.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Kylo, you are very generous. You are very generous. 22 gift subs to the channel. Wow. Wow. You and Docster are just bonkers. Telling you. Hang on. Slow but steady. Yeah. Slow but steady. Right. So we've got this. We got the game state. We got the game state lookup in. Yes, SP's got build 2. That means I'm going to be build 3. That's not fair. That's not fair. Right. By the end of the... Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. Right, so we'll do this. But it would be cool for people to be wearing that. I think that I'm let's just say I'm a lot happier about that hoodie than the first one. I am a lot happier about that hoodie than the first one. To be honest. That did make my day. And it's thank you SP for that logo, by the way. Oh, 60 quid. 60 quid for a hoodie. He's so kind, mate. So kind. Right. So we've got the execution of the game logic now in place. So we need to do the initialization. So the initialization is, I think, is here, isn't it? But this is not the initialization because we've got the the title screen before it. So this I mean, to be honest, I don't know what we're going to be initializing, to be honest. To be honest. But we'll put it in anyway, so we'll put it in anyway. You're taking a break from music and programming and getting back into voice acting. Ha ha! A thespian. I liked your DJ streams, mate. I was there, bopping along like you, mate. Bopping along. You've just had your first paid gig. Well done, mate. Well done. Right, I'm going to call them the same thing as what I've called them in here. In it. So I'll just put an RTS there. For a Lego stop animation on YouTube. Oh, nice. You was in Doctor Who. Oh, wow. You was in the Nth Doctor. I listened to those. Because I'm a huge Doctor Who fan. And maybe I should not be. Maybe I should not be saying that. Right, game. Playing. What else have we got? You haven't seen the end of last season. Do you want me to spoil it for you, mate? She dies. But everybody knew that. Everybody knew that. Right. Yeah, she dies. Playing next level. Right, let's get rid of some of these. I don't need to see some of these. Right. Docster, it doesn't matter if you've not seen it. Everybody knew that she was dying. Everybody knew she was dying. I mean, it was a big thing. The problem is, who was the next Doctor? I'm not going to spoil that. I'm not going to spoil that. Alright then. I didn't spoil it. I didn't spoil it. Wasn't me, Gov. Wasn't me. Lost a life. There is only one Doctor Who. You missed an opportunity there, mate, to say that it's only one Doctor Who. That's it. Exactly, created. That's it. He missed his opportunity, didn't he? He missed the opportunity. Right, so game logic. So it's always game logic. So let's stick game logic in all this. You've got to be careful though, because if the BBC are watching, they'll be claiming copyright. I'm telling you. They'll be claiming copyright. You'll get cease and dismiss notices. I bet if you tried copyrighting Doctor Who, you'd fail. You'd fail. Whoops, wrong one. You got a terrible Scottish accent. Let's just say, mate, I didn't think it was, and I listened to them. I mean, that's a bit of a claim to fame to say you was a voice actor in them, because they were popular as well. Ooh, have I just done something wrong? No. Right, so that should cover that. So, right, when we start, we'll set. Oh, this could be in initialize game state, couldn't it? That could be initialized game state. Let's put that in there. There you go. So we're gonna do this LDA hash no $ff store in storage dot game state dot old, and then LDA hash con. No, we're not doing constants. It's game states dot. Did I call it game states? No, probably not. Oh, I did. No, not there. Not there. There. And then we'll put that in new. Best Scottish accent, Sean Connery or Mel Gibson. No contest. It was Mel. Oh dear. I mean, anybody watch The Continental on Amazon Prime yet? Mel Gibson is just terrible. Absolutely terrible. Not yet, no. It's very, very good. It's very, very, very violent. It's It's the same sort of violence level as John Wick. I'll just say that. But the story's really good on how Winston gets the Continental. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, it is set in that world, but it's very good. It's the origin story of Winston and the Continental, so it is very, very good. Right, so we set the state. So the initialized game. This initialized game is effectively going to be the next level. That's going to be effectively the next level. So let's put that in next level. Right. No. Oh yeah, it would be in there, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would be. Relocate area. Is that in down here? That's a good point, John. Where did I put that? Oh, it's in assets. And I haven't got a namespace on assets. Okay. Okay. So, game logic. So we do the relocation on the game initialize. First thing we have to do is relocate sprites, yeah? Right. Next thing. Initialize. I've done that in the new game state. And then we jump to the game arcade game loop. Right, so we'll go to arcade game loop, which is here. So that's so this is technically the next level. So here we're gonna do the weight. Is there a program to sample an MP3 and save a snippet to the C64 zip format? I have no idea. It would be cool if you could do that. But I don't. I think there's a WAV converter to do, to do sampling. Yeah, I think didn't Jeff do it? Didn't he write a sampler converter? Oh, what was his name? He's one of my patrons and all. I should know. Oh, what's his name? Was it Highlander? Is that his name? Highlander. Hang on. I typed in Highlander and I get all the episodes of Highlander. I'd have to look at my patron list. Yeah, there can only be only one. But I think it wasn't the 8-bit. It wasn't him. It wasn't 8-bit show and tell. I'm sure it was Jeff. Where's my patron list? Where's my patron list? Hang on. Jeff Burt. Jeff Burt. That's him. I thought it was Jeff. So I think his YouTube thing is Hey Bert. Yes, it's Hey Bert. I think he did sampling. And it weren't that long ago either. It weren't that long ago. Because we was talking about it on the forum. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. Yeah, I got sidetracked again. Got sidetracked again. Right. So we're going to do the wait, and then we will go into game logic. .execute. So that will now do our states. So in the gameplay, we're going to be doing this effectively. In the gameplay, we're going to be doing that. So let's get back to game logic. Gameplay. We'll stick that in there. So we don't need that. And then that just goes round and round and round and round and round and round and round. And we don't need that. Well spotted, SP. Well spotted. Right. Yeah, Robin showed how to abuse, because the sampling is messing around with the volume control, isn't it? It's just abusing the volume control. Right. So let's see. So if we do right, so I need to change the game state in the initialization, which is here. I need to change the game state to make it then do next level. I think it's next level. And then the next level, once we've done that, we need to make it do play game, I think it's play game. Next level, playing. That's it. Right, let's see if we've broken it. Right, this should still work. Oh, of course, of course, of course. Right. Oh, okay. Why are you execute? Why are you not seeing that? Syntax. Oh, John. Muppet. Muppet.
Ah! What a plank.
Right, we should be working. Hey, we're working. Yay! Right. So, hopefully, we should be fine. Right, so, hopefully we should be fine.
Everyone's a wally. Naughty or a nerd. Everyone's a wally. Everyone's a wally, that's the word.
Thank you. Thank you. Just to rub it in. Okay, what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Right. So the first one should have been this. Oh. I've just thought.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Docster. He's settled down, mate. So I'll just put him. I'll put him on the list for him. He's settled down, mate. So I'll put him on the list for him tomorrow when I'm working, so he can have some treats. Thank you very much for the biscuits, mate. Thank you very much. Right. I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. We need to swap over these two. We need to swap them over. So before we do the jump... no, not before we do the jump. After we've done the re-establishing, we need to load the new and store it in the old. It's nearly payday and Docster hasn't quite spent all of his next month's salary yet. I know, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Right. I think this was part of the problem. So, because when we've tested that they're different, we didn't swap them over. Yeah? Okay. So... that wasn't the problem either. Okay. Right. Right, so let's just walk through this. So we store FF in the old, then we store init in the new, and then we jump to the game loop. So we jump to here. Then we wait, then we perform the execution. No, I made sure they were different, mate. Look, I put FF in the old. I put FF in the old to make sure they weren't the same. So we do the execution. So we come to the execution. Then we check the new. Is it the same as the old? Of course they are not. So we then load the game state and put that in here. Then we take the new and store it in the old. So then they become the same. And then we do the jump. That jump then should do the relocation, then change the state into the new, and then return back, which then should come back to here. Yeah, and then does another loop, and then goes back into it, but this time should be in, what did I put? Next level, should come to here. So it's not. I'm gonna have to debug this, but we should be all right. Where's the byte dump? So so we start at 1100. So that's what we're gonna do. So oh, wrong one. I need to be on that one. Right. Let's find out where we are. Break. Where are we? So he's doing summit. But I am going to put a breakpoint at 1100. But we've probably done the copy across. I just want to see if it's doing it, yeah? So go 1100. Here we go. Next. So we store them away, and then we jump to the. So this is the. Right. So we're waiting. We're waiting. So I need to put a breakpoint, don't I? I need to put a breakpoint there. So where's that? Down here. There it is. So 2136. So we want 213A. So break 213A. There we go. So go. Continue. Oh, continue. Just continue. There we go. Are you breaking yet? Are you breaking yet? Are you breaking yet? No, you're not. Okay, Shift F12. Right. Okay. Yeah, I know what the problem is now. I know what the problem is now. Oh dear. We're missing setting something up. We're missing setting something up. Which is this. And we'll do that as well. So once we've relocated, we need to disable. Yeah, the interrupt, mate. Yeah. So that's what was missing. So it should be fine now. It should be fine. He says that. He says that. Yeah, he says that as he realizes. Yeah. That's gonna have to go in here. No, can't. Can't. Well, we only need to set it up once. We only need to set it up once. That's annoying. That's annoying. But that should do it. Because it wasn't even set up the IRQ when it goes to initialize. There we go. Kaboom! Right. So that is here. So that should have come here, but it's not. Yeah, bad program. So it just... Let's just make sure I haven't got anything going on up here. Because it does the initialization and resets the score. Because this is where we're gonna insert the wave. Getting old. Getting old. Yes, getting old. So I think it's not going to the right place. I think it's not going to the right place. But they're all right. So it comes here, and then it should go to this. Let's just make sure I've got them right. State 2, yeah, that's right. So it'd be interesting to see where it's falling over. So let's do it. Whoops. Let's do it again. Oh, go away. Alright, Carlos, see you later, mate. See you later. Alright, let's do the debugger. And go away. Right, bad program. So it's where's it doing it? Oh, it's up there. Right, let's find the return value for here. Let's find this place here. So game next level. Let's go and find that. There we go. So oh dear. Oh dear. That's why it's not working. That is why it's not working, boys and girls. Yeah, what was I doing up there? Yeah, that's why it wasn't working. There we go. Ooh. We got some funkiness going on. Yeah. I mean, the cursor's blinking. So that's not right for a start. Hello! Oh, I'm being raided! Oh no, I'm being raided! Hello, raiders! Welcome, welcome, welcome! Morph Cat, welcome! I bet they're in the middle of an advert because it says I'm playing ads at the moment. Yeah, I'm in the middle of playing ads. You can't type for toffee today. Well, that's because you've done the logo, mate. Hello, everybody. Hey, Mel6502, welcome. Right, it says the ads have finished. Hello, raiders. Welcome, welcome. You timed it just right to get the ads. Hope you had a good stream, mate. Hope you had a good stream. We're trying to figure out what I've broken. I've broken it again. What have I done? What have I done? It's still ads. It's still ads. That's stupid. That is stupid. When does something not break? Oh, cheers. Oh, the ads are gone. I've been trying to put the game logic in the state machine, but seem to have broken something. I'm trying to figure out what I've broken. Right. So it does the initialize there, and I do the Oh, have I got to do the disable cursor after I've changed state? Oh, hang on. That could be an issue. And I'm lost now. I'm lost. Where are we? John, not there. Right. Because I changed state. So maybe we have to change. Hey, Fizzgog6, how you doing, mate? How you doing? I've broken it. Don't expect a lot because I've broken it. I don't actually code. I fix what I've broken. Right. Right. That sorted out the cursor. But why is my aliens gone all screwed up? Why have they gone all screwed up? I ain't gone over any memory, have I? No, I haven't gone on over any memory. Why is that gone all screwed up? Okay, let's have a look. See, I haven't changed anything in that, and that's where... And I've initialized the array. Oh, I hope it's not. I draw the... So the first thing I do is draw the sprites. So that should be fine. It's the interrupt's fault. Yeah, the Beeb sprite is... I'm going to have to change the development order and put VSCode as the main developer because he's done an awful lot in that. An awful lot in that. Right. Let's just make sure there's... Let's do level 1 and see if they've screwed up as well. Because if that's the case, then that's memory. That's got to be 0 page that's screwed up. Well, that one seems fine. Well, I blew up all right, didn't I? So that one seems fine. 2. Let's just try. Let me just run through.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's just followed? Say hello. Don't be scared. We're not that bad. Honest. Level 2. Come on. Oh, welcome, John. Welcome. Well, that one's working all right. That one's working all right. Oh, you're a chatter from John's talking to himself. You're from the raid. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. That one's working okay. Oh, don't tell me it's just the one. Right, so that's level 3. Level 4. First sign of madness? No. That one's okay. Is it just that one? It looks it, isn't it? Oh, you've been lurking. Oh, lurking's just as good as what he's watching. So it's this one that's screwed up. It's this one that's screwed up. It's got to be 0 page. It's got to be. It's got to be. Have we gone over again? Have we gone over again? And what was game state? What was game state? 84. I thought we were still safe in the 80s. Yeah, we're still safe. I don't know why. SP says he's going to do a C64 game. He'd better stream it then. Right, okay. Let's have a look at aliens. What is going on with that one? Why would that one be failing? Right, this is 6. I haven't changed level 6. That's the thing. I haven't changed it. So if we're going to get... see, aliens... The only thing that's changed in aliens is... I just doubled it up. Right, I'm going to take that. I'm going to take those ASLs out. I'm going to take the ASLs out and see if it still has the same issue. Right, hang on. Here, because this was just spacing. That's all I've done. Right. See, this is what it was before. Yeah. So that's working. Right, okay. Hang on, how many aliens are on there? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? Why have we got 15? That's probably why the problem is. Why have we got 15 aliens? Get number of aliens to start with. Okay, let's go to that. Let's go to that. Right, current level. Add minimum number. Hang on, the current level should be should be 1. The current level should be 1. So the minimum number of aliens is 9. So at the am I set? Do I set the current level? I don't think I set the current level. Hang on. So we will do it here. We will do it here. Right. So LDA. No. It's in the initializer and it's starting from there. So LDA #1 store in there. Right. So let me put my extra ASL in. Got to keep going, John. Ship exploding. 8x8. Here we go. Right, let's put the extra ASL in. Right. That's better. That's better. We weren't setting the current level. Yeah, the current level. So it should be wave, yeah. So the level is the alien, and then it's the wave. That's why we. So it's going to break when we get to wave 6. No, because when we do. Because we're only taking the top, yeah? So it'll be wave 1, that'll be the first 6, then wave 2 will be the next 6, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So yeah, when we get up to wave 15, we'll have a problem. It's just going to get harder and harder, because we're going to make sure it's going to be harder and harder. So, right, so we're back to working again, and I'm looking at the time as well. So we're back to working it. We're back to how we are. Right, we're back to how we are. So what I need to do is we need to start thinking about the. Yeah, I'm looking at the time. We need to start thinking about the timer, because the timers relate into the game as well as the number of bad guys. I may have a surprise in store. Yeah, I may have a surprise in store. So, I'm just thinking. Do I have pool tomorrow? Hang on. Do I have pool tomorrow? Let's just have a quick look. Am I doing my captain duties tomorrow? When is this thing due? When is this thing due? Oh my god, 7 days! Jeez! A week today. Oh, rats. No pool, I've been banned. Yeah. I haven't heard the outcome of that yet. Right. So we need to let's put in the logic for the number of bad guys, yeah? So let's put the logic that gets us the number of bad guys in the array. So we can... Hey, I submitted Nico's run on time and Astonite's on time. I did those too. Right. So I need to count how many active bad guys are in the array. So, oh, I didn't put them on the submission screen. I didn't put them on the submission page. Because I didn't create an itch.io page for them, that's why. Oh. When should I count? When should I count how many bad guys there are? It was secretly submitted. Yeah, I submitted it by the back door. I was getting fart noises. They were very high pitched fart noises, but they were fart noises. Nothing. Not right. I think we should do it on the dead. On the dead. Hang on. An explosion 8x8. I think we should do it on that. Here. Because every time there's a dead... Yeah. You got it to make a doorbell chime, right? Right, I think we should do it here. So once the dead animation's done, we count how many aliens we've got. Right. Right, I'm going to do that before we finish off the stream. But first things first, I need to go to the boys' room. So I'll do the shout outs and I'll be back in a sec. Also, I can get another drink as well. Right, won't be a sec.
This is H1.
What the fuck? Oh man, this is bad.
This guy was a big boy.
You see the difference? And you can flick between them. You can set it to
Oh, it's a cutscene. Never negotiate with Scepter. Yeah.
And it is slice time. A slot with arrows will give you points if you're next to it, but if too many take part, the prize will...
If Rx, which is 0, equals...
I've seen Memento Mori from Genesis Project. That's, I mean, I think so far nobody can argue against it being the best.
If y'all have an idea for things we should do for the side project, or even another thing that we should work on, let me know. One thing I wanted...
Can they work?
Right.
Let's go back to ChatGPT.
Right. I've been told by my doctor I've got to drink more, right? Problem with drinking more is you end up going to the loo more. God, ridiculous. Gotta drink more, Mr. Dale. Right. Did he say why I had to drink? Well, he knows that I don't drink, so... He knows I don't drink alcohol, let's just say that. I've not drunk alcohol in... years. Since I got diagnosed with the ticker, alcohol was thrown straight out the window. Same with coffee. Don't drink that. Yeah. He says I gotta drink more though. So I'm trying. Just makes you go to the loo more.
Oi, John, take a drink.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had that in there, didn't I? You can't live without coffee or alcohol. Well...
Oi, John, take a drink.
Yeah. I have... P. That's the next one, isn't it? That's the next one. Oi, John, go to the toilet. Yeah, I've not had alcohol in... since I got diagnosed with the ticker, which is now 12 years now. 12 years. And I've not had coffee, you know, not allowed to have coffee as well. At least no one can say you don't have a heart. Yeah, it's pity it's a bit dodgy. It's a bit dodgy. Right. So we need to do we need to write a function that analyzes the array to find out how many we've got. Yeah. So we'll do it up here. Yeah. So we'll put it up here and we'll say get number of active bad guys. Oh, thank you, Docster. Thank you. I have a... You have a chat... Whatever that word is. Ex-wife. Right, okay. Still unopened. Yeah. It is, oh, Brazilian Spirit. Oh, 40%. Cool, you could power your car with that. Right. So we're going to run backwards through the array. Right. So we're going to run backwards through the array. So we can easily nick that from here. When we do the execution of the array. Here we go. There we go, this bit here. That bit there. So if we grab that and go back into aliens. Oh, did I put it in aliens? Yes. Right. So I don't want to load it from the array. Right. So what we're going to do is SP, stop using words people can't read. Oh, you're on decaf now. You're on decaf. I mean, I don't get me wrong. I drink decaf coffee, but I can't have a fully leaded coffee. Let's just say that. Can't have fully leaded. Yeah, can't have fully leaded coffee. Right, let's just make sure I've got this right. So it's state, yeah? Yeah, state. Elements, state. So we load the elements state, comma x, branch if minus. That means we have not got one. Right, so in here we will load with 0 and we will store it in storage dot temp storage. I mean, don't get me wrong, Docster. Most of the time, I mean, all this is just water. All that's in here is just water. I just drink water most of the time, but I do have decaf coffee for when I've got guests. So at least when I make them a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, I don't make them feel left out. Yeah. Right, so that branch of plus to that. You drink hot chocolate? Yes, I mean that's a good alternative, but hot chocolate has caffeine in it. Do you believe it? And you can't get decaf hot chocolate. When you have a hot dicky heart, it pants. It's pants. Right, so if we find something, we're going to increase this. Right? And then we're going to just go round and round and round. Now, I'm thinking that I don't need to store X anywhere because I'm not actually destroying X anywhere. So, store it, load the bad guys, get the state. If it's bit 7 set, that means it's inactive. Right, so RTS. Right, so how am I going to do this? Yeah, Dicky Art. Right. So, I think I'm going to do this. So when we finish, we're going to load that branch if equal. If it's not equal, that means something's there. So we'll do set carry. Then we will do my thing, which is 24 in this case. And then CLC. Right. What is going on? Oh, bottle of booze. Bottle of booze. Right. So, what we're gonna do here now. So we're gonna have carry set and carry clear. So every time we die, I should say every time the death type is executed, when it's finished, we're gonna count how many bad guys are there, and then when we run out, I'm gonna repopulate it. Right. So I'm gonna fix it at the moment, so I'm conscious of the time. So dead. Here we go, dead. So when we apply the scoring, we're going to do JSR, whatever I called it. Get a number of active bad guys. Right, and then branch if carry clear, exit. And we'll put that here. But if no. It's branch if carry set. That's the one. But if we've run out of bad guys, I'm going to just get it to do the insert. Right? Just going to get it to do the insert just to prove that it should work. Yeah. Right. So let's see if this works, and if it works, we'll call it there, and then on the next stream we'll build it out to start doing it for all the levels. Right. So here we go. Come on. John's getting good at this game. One more to go. One more to go. Come on. Oh, come on then. Come on then. No! Oh. Silly me. Silly me. Right. Oh, you're joking. Come on. Come on. That should work. What? What now? No! No! Oh. Right. that should be working. Let's put a breakpoint. Let's figure out what's wrong with it before I go. So I'm looking for that. Uh, 1C88. 1C88. One C88. Right, so let me write that down. Oh, my pen's going. My pen's going. Fine, it's going. One C88. I'll remember that. Right, get debugger going. Break 1C88. Yeah, right. Go. Right, maximum warp. Come on, fire. Fire. Come on, fire. Oh, it's broke. There we go. Right, okay. So, help. I want to watch. I want to put a watch on. E. Oh, what do I want to put a watch on? Next. 90. E 90. There we go. Right. So that's our counter. Yeah. First is the pen, then the marbles. Right. So we load 1E. So the accumulator is 0. Which is right. So we increase it. Right. So we this 7B. Oh, it's still counting. Oh, it stopped at C. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should be A. I'm counting something else as well, aren't I? What am I counting? Am I counting the ship? Am I counting the ship? Iron X. No, I don't think it's that mate. Yeah. One E. Hang on. 1E. 1E. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Memory. OF40. E. Oh, rats. It's counting the 2 arrows. Right, 1E would bring it here, wouldn't it? 1E. So it's counting the 2 arrows. Right, I need to knock off another 2. I need to knock off another 2. Hang on. It's counting the arrows. Aliens. So, -3. Hang on, I've got a constant. Sure, I've got a constant. Number of bad guys. There we go. One D. F, E, D. So it's still -1. Right. Right then. Die, boys, die! Die. No! Right. So I'm gonna kill them all except for one. Right. So I get them all. The time I don't want, the time I don't want to hit them, and I hit them. Right. All I want is right. Now, I normally can't hit them. Yeah, no. Right. Debugger. So breakpoint. What was it? Oh, can you remember what the breakpoint was? One C88. Right. Let's get firing. Hopefully he's going to wander into my bullets. And he's missed them. Come on. Oh, he's going to miss them again. Yeah. Oh, it's done it. It's done it. It's done it. So we'll put the watch on and we'll do next. Right, so 1C. Load. Ray! Right, empty. Empty, 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 empty. So, right, so we're doing alright at the moment. Oh, we got one. Where's that one? I don't believe I went through the ink. Oh, I did there. 13. Oh, rats, there's one there. Oh, you twonk. You absolute twonk.
Ah! What a plank.
Oh, oh! Look, I am such a numpty. I haven't. I've not set the state of the final one. So it'll always return one back. It'll always return one. So what I need to do is... Hey, Warlock, you are right, mate. This time it's DEX. This time it's DEX. So, So D, and then load it in. Oh dear. No, come on.
Oh, you twonk.
Right. Come on, John. Get this done. Get this done. Right, let's get this done. Come on. Ooh. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. We got it working. Right, so we've got that functionality working now. Until the next wave crashes it. Well, at the moment we've hard coded it to put these in, so we need to put the code in. We need to put the code in that says, right, we're on wave 6, and then fires wave 6. Pretty soon it's going to be a real game. Well, we're getting there. We're getting there. Right, now we've got that working. So I'm going to call it there. I'm going to call it there because we got that working, because there's the timer aspect we got to put in there. So when the timer runs out, we don't put any more bad guys on. And so I don't think I've got pull tomorrow. I don't think. So I might stream tomorrow and try and get this done, because I've only got 7 days left. So if anybody's around tomorrow, come and join me, and we'll do some more. Yeah. All right then, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me, and thanks for the guys who bought the hoodies. And I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.